Hello everyone, only few problems are remaining in this concept. So in this session we'll complete that. Okay. See here, simple problem is there. Actually you can try this. Let me read the question. Two groups are competing for the position on the board of directors of a corporation. The probability that the first and the second groups will win are 0.6 and 0.4 respectively. So two groups are given, right? Those two will be the first events. Next, what is given? Further, if the first group wins, the probability of introducing a new product is 0.7 and the corresponding probability is 0.3 if the second group wins. Now what you have to find? Find the probability that the new product is introduced. New product introduced was by the second group. Is it clear? I hope you understood the questions. Now what will be the events? One event you can take as the competition win by the first group. Second event will be the competition win by the second group. Those are the two events, right? Next, what will be the event A? The event A will be the introducing a new product, right? Event A will be introducing new product. Let me write this. Let E1 and E2 be the events that the competition win by group 1 for first and group second respectively. Okay. So this is the E1 and E2. Next, let A be the event. Let A be the event of introducing new product, right? Introducing new product. What do you have to find? Find the probability that the new product introduced was by the second group. So you have to find second group means probability of E2, right? The probability of E2, and it is given that you are finding the probability of new product is introduced by the second group. Probability of E2 by A. So E1 and E2 forms a sample space. This will be probability of E2, right? So this is E2 is there. So probability of E2 into probability of A by E2 divided by probability of E1 into probability of A by E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A by E2. Next you have to complete this. Everything is given. Okay. Probability of E1. What is the probability of E1? It is given that 0.6. Substitute here. Probability of E1 will be 0.6 and probability of E2 is, it is given 0.4. Now here this is nothing but the finding the probability of a new product is introduced by the group second. New product introduced by the group second is given 0.3, right? Probability of A by E2. I mean new product is introduced by the group second. It is given as 0.3. So substitute here. Probability of A by E1 is nothing but new product is introduced by the group 1 and it is given by 0.7. Substitute everything and simplify. Okay. Complete this problem. Next question. Try to understand the question. Okay. Suppose a girl throws a die. If she gets a 5 or 6, she tosses a coin 3 times. Okay. A girl throws a die and if she gets 5 or 6, she tosses a coin. How many elements will be there in the sample space? If we toss a coin 3 times, obviously 8 elements will be there, right? 2 into 2 into 2, it will be 8. Next, and notes the number of heads. Okay, if she gets 1, 2, 3 or 4, she tosses a coin once. She tosses a coin once means only 2 elements will be there in the sample space, head or tail, and notes whether a head or tail is obtained. What do you have to find? If she obtained exactly one head, what is the probability that she threw 1, 2, 3 or with the die. Is it clear? What will be the event? Event will be the, she'll get a 5 or 6 on the die, right? And event E2 will be the, she'll get a 1, 2, 3 or 4 on the die. Now what will be the event A? Event A is here, she obtained exactly 1 hit. So event A will be the getting exactly 1 hit. Is it clear? Let me write this. Let E1 be the event that, let E1 be the event that she gets 5 or 6 on die. Okay? If she gets 5 or 6, then she will throw a coin 3 times. Remember that. And E2 be the event. E2 be the event that she gets 1, 2, 3 or 4, right? 1, 2, 3 or 4 on the die. On die. If she gets 1, 2, 3 or 4, then she will toss a coin only once. Now next, which one? The event A. Event A, let A be the event that getting exactly 1 hit. Exactly 1 hit on a coin. Right? Let A be the event that getting exactly 1 hit. Now what you have to find? Find the probability. What is the probability that she threw 1, 2, 3, 4 with the die? So you are finding the probability of 1, 2, 3 or 4. That means probability of E2, right? You are finding the probability of E2 and she got hit, right? She got exactly 1 hit on a coin. So you are finding probability of E2 by A. Is it clear? So this is equal to E1 and E2 forms a sample space. First let me write the formula. Probability of E2 into probability of A by E2 whole divided by probability of E1 into probability of A by E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A by E2. Clear? Now we write everything. Probability of E1. Now can you say what is the probability of E1? Getting 5 or 6 on a die. Total 6 possibilities will be there, right? In that getting 5 or 6 will be 2. Right? So this is 2 by 6 will be equal to 1 by 3. Probability of E2. Probability of E2 is nothing but getting 1, 2, 3 or 4 on a die. So total 4 possibilities are there divided by 6. Next we need probability of A by E1. Probability of A by E1. Try to understand this. You are finding the probability of getting exactly 1 hit, right? Probability of getting exactly 1 hit. Given that even is given, that means she got 5 or 6 on a die. Is it clear? Try to understand this properly. You are finding the probability of getting exactly 1 hit. Given that she got 5 or 6 on die, right? If she gets 5 or 6 on a die, then she will throw a coin thrice, right? She will throw a coin thrice. So total number of elements in the sample space will be 8. Yes, total number of elements in the sample space. If we toss a coin thrice, total number of elements in the sample space will be 8. In that exactly 1 hit. How many are possible? Head, tail is possible, right? Or tail is possible. Or tail and head. Only 3 possibility will be there. Exactly 1 hit. The remaining 2 should be a tail, right? So that means 3 possibility will be there. This is equal to 3 by 8. I hope you understood this. Next, probability of A by E. This is nothing but you are finding the probability of getting exactly 1 hit and given that E2. E2 is nothing but on die she got either 1, 2, 3 or 4, right? If she tossed the coin and she got 1, 2, 3 or 4. If she gets this one 1, 2, 3 or 4, then she will toss a coin exactly once, right? Exactly once means how many elements one head, okay, exactly one head, and it is given that she got either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 on the die. If she gets 1, 2, 3 or 4, then she toss a coin only once, right? Then two possibilities will be there, either head or tail. That is two possibilities. And getting exactly one head, only one by two, right? Half of it. So this is a, so we got everything. Probability of E1 is there, probability of E2, A by E1 and A by E2. Substitute each and everything and simplify and complete this one. Okay. Next problem, 11th one is homework. Simple it is, you have to complete this one. Actually, see, these questions are important for 3 marks, but this year few concepts are deleted. Next two concepts are there, those are deleted. So we can expect this type of questions for 5 marks. Okay. Remember this, simple it is, easily you can score this session. Next two are there, 13th and 14th one. Those are objective type problems, and similar one we have discussed. So complete that. Okay, let me read the question. See, try to understand this. A card from a pack of 52 cards is lost. I mean, one card is lost from the pack of 52 cards. From the remaining cards of the pack, 2 cards are drawn and are found to be both diamonds. Now, find the probability of the lost card being a diamond. Is it clear? Total number of cards, you know that 52 cards are there. In that, one card is lost. Okay, so total number of cards are now 51. And next, what is given? 2 cards are drawn and are found to be both are diamonds. How many diamonds will be there? Total 13 diamonds will be there, right? So in that, 2 drawn cards, 2 are found to be diamond. Now you are finding the probability that the lost card being a diamond. Is it clear? Now see, we will consider the events. Let E be the event. Let E be the event that lost card is diamond. Is it clear? Lost card is diamond. Next, E dash be the event, or you can consider E1 and E2, no problem. I'll consider E dash. Let E dash be the event. Let E dash be the event that lost card is not diamond. Is it clear? E dash be the event that lost card is not diamond. Next, what will be the event A? Let A be the event drawn 2 cards are diamond. It is given, right? Let A be the event that drawn 2 cards are diamond. Fine. Now what do you have to find? What do you have to find? See there. Find the probability of the lost card being a diamond. So you are finding the probability of a lost card is diamond. I mean, you are finding the probability of E by A. Drawn 2 cards are diamond. So probability of E by A you have to find. First, let us write the formula. Probability of, you know that E and E dash forms a sample space. So this is now probability of E into probability of A by E divided by probability of E into probability of A by E plus probability of E dash into probability of A by E dash. Now we need to find each and everything. Now can you say what is the probability of E? Probability of E is equal to E is the event that lost card is diamond. How many possibilities will be there? Total number of cards is 52. In that, lost card is diamond is nothing but 13 possibility will be there, right? 13 diamond cards are there. So 52, 13 by 52. Is it clear? Next, probability of E dash. That is, lost card is not diamond. So you have to remove all the 13 diamonds, right? So here total number of 52 is there. If you remove 13 cards, it will be 42 and next plus 39, right? 39, 13 into 3. So it is P of E dash is equal to 39 divided by 52. Is it clear? Probability of E is nothing but lost card diamond. Total number of cards are 52. In that diamond, 13 are possible. A dash is nothing but lost card is not diamond. It may be club, heart or spade. So 13, 13, 13. Right? So total is 39. So 39 divided by 52. So next we will find probability of A by E. What is meant by this? You are finding the probability of, better you write this, probability of drawing two diamond cards, right? A is nothing but diamond cards. Probability of drawing two diamond cards. What is given? Given that, can you say what is given? Given that E is nothing but lost card is diamond. Probability of drawing two diamond cards given that lost card is diamond. Lost card is diamond. I hope you are getting this. Lost card is diamond. Can you say what will be the probability of this? You are finding the probability of drawing two cards diamond given that lost card is diamond. So total number of cards 13 diamonds are there, right? In that lost card is diamond means 12 diamonds will be there. In that we need to choose 2. Is it clear? Here it is given that lost card is diamond. So total number of cards now diamond. So first we write this one. Total number of cards, how many are there? In that 52 cards, one card is lost. That is also diamond. Right? Total number of cards are 51. Right? So in that we need to choose 2. 51, you have studied this one in the permutation and combination, right? 51C2. This is the total number of elements. Now in that diamonds will be, as I told you, lost card is diamond. So in that 13 cards, one card is lost. That is diamond. So total number of cards now remaining, this 12 diamonds are there, right? In that 12, we need to choose 2. 12C2. Is it clear? So probability of A by E is equal to 12C2 divided by 51C2. Now we need to simplify this. You know the formula NCR and NCR simplify, so that we will get the probability of A by E. Next, which one we need? Probability of, can you say what is the probability of A by E dash? Try to find that. Probability of A by E dash. We need this, right? Here you need to simplify 12C2 divided by 51C2. Write the combination formula and simplify. So this is nothing but finding the same. I just tell you probability of drawing two diamond cards, right? Probability of drawing two diamond cards given that lost card is not diamond, right? Lost card is not diamond. I mean it may be a spade or heart or club, right? Given card is not, given lost card is not diamond. Now can you say what will be the probability? In total number of cards will be, one card is lost. So total number of cards is 51. Number of cards are 51. In that you have to choose 2. That is the sample space. Here how many, 2 cards should be diamond. How many possibility will be there? Obviously 30. Here one lost card is diamond. So we can consider only 12. One card is lost. Here it is given that lost card is not diamond. Not diamond means all the 13 diamonds are present. Right? All the 13 diamonds are present. In that you have to choose any 2. Is it clear? Just see the difference between these and this. Probability of A by E is nothing but lost card is diamond. So only 12 diamonds are remaining. In that we have to choose 2. Total number of cards in that 52, 1 is lost. 51C2. Here probability of A by E dash is nothing but lost card is not diamond. That means 13 diamonds are remaining. In that 13 we need to choose 2 divided by, one card is anyway, it is lost, but it is not diamond. So 51C. Now this also you have to apply the combination and you have to simplify, so that you get this one. You got probability of E is there, A dash is there, A by E and A by E dash. Substitute each and everything and simplify and complete this problem. Okay. Actually, now 2 more concepts are remaining: mean and variance of a random variable and binomial distribution. but for this year those two concepts are deleted, so I am not going to do that. That means this chapter is completed. Okay, last two concepts are deleted. Okay, just practice these problems, and if you have any doubt, please contact me.